Your Vaultek series safe features a proprietary mounting plate pre-installed, and it should be removed before mounting. First, open the safe using the backup keys provided in the accessory box and locate the keyhole under the top access cover. With the safe now open, you can locate the release clip inside the safe. Start by placing the safe on its side. Use your thumb or finger to pull the release clip back, then slide the safe away from the mounting plate and lift to remove. Your Vaultek series safe is equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and installs in seconds. First, remove the battery from your accessories box and using your backup key, open the safe. Locate the battery cover on the underside and press the tab near the front edge to open and fold it down. Snap the battery into the cover and press closed. You will hear a short welcome tone and the control panel will light up. You are now ready to begin programming. Change the master code from the safe's factory default code immediately. Your Vaultek slider safe features an upgraded fingerprint sensor for enhanced sensitivity and speed. When scanning, be sure your finger is placed flat and that your cuticle is aimed in the center of the scanner. This will help your safe read as much detail as possible for consistent results. To get started enrolling your first fingerprint, open the safe and locate the program button underneath, next to the battery cover. Quickly press the program button and the 1 key will start blinking red. This is prompting you for the first of 5 scans to enroll your fingerprint. Place your finger on the scanner and remove when the safe beeps and LEDs turn green. The 2 key will then blink red, prompting the second scan. Continue this series of lifting and placing your finger for all 5 scans to complete enrollment for your first fingerprint. After you've enrolled your administrative prints, you can add other users. Quickly press the program button and note the keypad blinking red, prompting you to scan an administrative print first. Place an admin print on the scanner, and when authorized by the keypad beeping and flashing green, you can remove and start enrolling a new fingerprint. Your Vaultek Slider Series safe features a 5-digit keypad designed for quick, responsive input and over 14,000 possible combinations. The keypad will auto-illuminate with a built-in proximity sensor. Your master code can be as short as 4 digits or as long as 8, but 6 digits are recommended for increased security. To get started programming your new master code, open the safe and locate the program button underneath, next to the battery cover. Press and hold the program button until all keys 1 through 5 light up red. Enter your new code and immediately press and hold the program button again until all keys 1 through 5 light up red. Enter your new code a second time and immediately press and hold the program button a third time. The safe will beep and the keypad flash green, confirming the code has been changed. For versatility, your Vaultek Slider Series safe can be mounted horizontally or vertically and features multiple hole patterns for installation. Standard installation on any flat surface can use the corners for 4-point mounting. For vertical single stud wall mounting, the center holes can be used, and the middle area uses VESA 75 and 100 mm hole patterns. VESA is an industry standard, and many third-party accessories and adapters can be used for custom vehicle applications. The base of the mounting plate also features additional mounting holes for reinforcement where needed. To get started, first align the mounting plate in position and mark the mounting hole locations. Pilot the holes and install the mounting hardware to secure the mounting plate in place. To lock the safe on the mounting plate, locate the 4 receiving slots on the safe side and the 4 tabs on the mounting plate. Fully insert the tabs into the receiving slots and press the safe downwards to lock in place. To remove, open the safe and locate the release clips inside. Using your thumb or finger, pull the release clip back and lift the safe off the mount at the same time. The safe will not remove without pulling the release clip back. SmartKey Nano is a great accessory with slider series and sold separately. Its small size and simple function make it ideal for use as a hidden panic button. It can be mounted discreetly using the included peel and stick adhesive. To pair SmartKey, first open the safe and press and hold the 3 key followed by the program button together until all keys start blinking red. Aim your SmartKey towards the safe and press the button to pair. The keypad will light green, confirming pairing is successful. Next, you will need to set the entry mode for your SmartKey. You can do this from the keypad hotkey or within the smartphone app. You can choose between on-demand and progressive entry modes. On-demand will open your safe at any time within range of the safe, but draws significant power. We recommend progressive entry, which will open the safe only after the safe has been awakened first. To wake your safe, you can simply press any key on the safe or brush your hand across the keys to illuminate them. You can then open your safe with SmartKey. To assign an entry mode from the safe keypad, press and hold the 4 key and the program button together to toggle through each mode. A blinking green keypad indicates progressive mode, a solid green keypad indicates on demand, and a solid red keypad indicates SmartKey is off. Vaultek's keypads have several hotkey shortcuts. With your slider series safe, you can adjust nearly every setting right from the keypad. You can quickly check the battery levels by pressing and holding the 5 key. The keypad will light up sequentially, indicating the approximate battery level. If the 1 key blinks red, the battery is low and time to recharge. You can check to see if the safe has been tampered with by pressing and holding keys 2 and 4 together. If the number 3 turns green, no tampering has occurred. This tamper detection system will track incorrect code entries as well as incorrect fingerprint scans. You can extend the life of the interior light when the safe is open by pressing and holding the 2 key. This will extend the interior light for 10 seconds. With Vaultek's Bluetooth smartphone app available for Android and iOS devices, you can quickly view critical safe data such as battery levels, tamper indication, and a history log for when the safe has been opened. To get started, open the app and first set your pattern lock. This is a custom pattern comprising of at least 4 dots that you draw with your finger and will safeguard your safe in the event your safe gets into the wrong hands. After setting your pattern lock, you can now select your safe from the pairing list to connect. The first step is entering the safe's master code, which is the same code used to open the safe using the keypad. Next, you will sync your phone to the safe by pressing and holding keys 4 and 5 followed by the program button. Once the keypad is blinking red, you can press OK on the app screen to complete the sync. Once paired, you can adjust your safe preferences, such as toggling the sound on and off and setting the interior light brightness. You even have a remote entry point with a simple swipe of your finger. By default, this feature will be grayed out and disabled, but you can enable remote unlock by pressing and holding keys 1 and 4 followed by the program button.